So, I'm going to show you another version of that. Now again, I don't want you to write the whole table down, just a bit that's in red this time. That the probability of a type 1 error, we've written that first bit down, so it's just the bottom bit really, is exactly the same as the significance level of the test. If you are dealing with continuous data, and only if you're dealing with continuous data. We'll look at what happens for discrete data later on. So this is that bottom left-hand box. You've got what's above my finger already written down, so you can just write down the bottom bit that a type 1 error is equal to the significance level of the test, if you're dealing with continuous data. And the way I remember which is a type 1 and which is a type 2, this may work for you, I remember a type 1 error is when you accept H1. I know it's not what it says there, but that's the same thing. So type 1 error is when you accept H1, so the two ones go together. Type 1 error is when you accept H1, when you shouldn't. Okay? Right, the next thing, we're going to go through an example number 1. I'll put it on screen in a minute, but for those of you here and those of you not here, there's a handout so you don't have to copy it down. So, example number 1 is there. You can pause on that if you want to read it. It'll be on the next slide, but that's going to be given out now as a handout.